Okay, so you see I have this empty vessel here, and I like these weeds because they're nice and watery. Okay, I'm going to fill this bucket up with these weeds. So there's a lot of these weeds on the property. Um, they're all along the fence here, and I'm just going to start filling this bucket. All you do is pull your weeds and put them in the bucket. So I don't want these big coarse weeds here. I'm just going to pull these up. These are weeds that are around the grill station. And I empty a lot of water here and just put them in. So once I get this filled, all you do is fill it up. Oops. All you do is fill it up with water. Okay. Fill it all the way up to the top. Okay. Then when it starts to smell like a swamp, you know that you're ready. Okay. This is a little one I had in an old pot. This is neem. I'm going to add a little bit of the neem water. Okay. Smells like, ooh, I don't know what that smell is, but it's very strong. So when it's strong, you know that your swamp water is ready. Okay. So I'm going to finish filling this up. Okay. I'm going to get a piece of old screen. Like this piece of old screen. I have some more pieces around. And I'm just going to fill it up. And this will keep the mosquitoes out too if you use the old screen. And you just put it on here. You just fasten it on your container. And I have a little dispenser for mine. So when it's ready, I just dispense it and just keep filling it. And that's the swamp water. I'll link a post to the video with David the Good. And there's also another gentleman that uses this a lot in his container garden, Black Gumbo. He's from Louisiana. And I try to use people who are in similar grow zones. But this swamp water will work in any grow zone because it's just natural fertilizer. All the minerals that are in the weeds will be in your fertilizer. Add a banana for potassium. You got the, I have neem here. We have neem in the tropics. But any of your grasses give good nitrogen and other beneficial um, things that your plants need. So if you have any more questions about making homemade swamp water and fertilizer, just let me know. And I usually put it on the base of my plants. If you do foliar feed it, like put it in one of these. If you put it in one of these and you want a foliar feed, do it very early in the morning or in the evening. I use this one with a little neem and just a little bit of Castile soap for the whitefly. I'm finally figuring out how to get the whitefly. But because it's the rainy season, I've been having to do this after each rain. This smells like garbage too. But it works. It works and it's all natural. And I don't buy my fertilizer from a foreign country. I get my fertilizer from from Mother Earth, put it in water from Mother Earth, and I feed it back to Mother Earth. So I hope this information is valuable to you. If you could like, share, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay? Thank you.